everyone, welcome to my wonderful world of education system, that is MTC Mustafa Tuition Center. Myself Shanaz, the founder and tutor of MTC Mustafa Tuition Center. I strongly believe that education that is imparted by heart can bring revolution in the society. Good evening, kids.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, so a lot of energy. Fine. So all these are the second and third standard kids, right, of MTC. And today I am going to revise subtraction to you all once again. I know that you know it, but I have seen that you are making a lot of mistakes. Yes, and there are few terminologies that you are not able to understand and you are getting confused. So I want you to understand that. Fine. Okay. So subtraction. You know that there are four basic arithmetic operations. Four basic arithmetic operations. What are they? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Very good. These are the four basic arithmetic operations that you must know. Yes, in second and third, all these four you will learn. Yes or no? Okay. So let us start. Now tell me, what do you mean by subtraction? What is the meaning of subtraction? Subtraction means what? Falak, tell me, what is the meaning of subtraction? Okay, minus. Then how will you define it? Subtraction means what? Subtraction means what? Taking away. Subtraction is what in simple terms? Don't shout, please. Talk, always talk in a medium tone. Always talk in a medium tone. Don't stress your throat. Okay? So, subtraction means, Ravinder, concentrate. Subtraction means taking away. Taking away. Okay? Then, what is the sign of subtraction? What is the symbol of subtraction? What is the symbol of subtraction? What is the symbol? Symbol, you are getting confused now. What is symbol? See, this is the symbol of subtraction. Minus. Yes? Minus is the symbol of subtraction? Yes or no, kids? Okay. So, what is subtraction? Subtraction means taking away. Subtraction means what? Taking
away.
Taking. I said don't raise your voice. Okay, subtraction means taking away. And what is the sign of subtraction? What is the sign? Minus. What it is? Minus. M-I-N-U-S. Minus. Now, what are the parts of subtraction? What are the parts of subtraction? Kids, MTC kids, who can tell me what are the parts of subtraction? Who will tell me the parts? What are the parts of subtraction? Yes, tell me, what are the parts of subtraction? What are the parts of subtraction, you know? Yeah, that is what. See, that's what I want you to explain. Okay, parts of subtraction is, one is minuend. Okay, second is subtrahend. Okay, then third one, repeat after me please, difference. Okay, so these are the three parts of subtraction. Minuend, repeat after me please, subtrahend, difference. Okay, so these are the three parts of subtraction. Okay, now what is the meaning of minuend? What is the meaning of minuend? Minuend means, don't yawn, listen carefully. Minuend means the number from which you need to subtract. The number from which you need to subtract, from which you need to remove. And subtrahend is the number to be subtracted. So, minuend is also called from number. Okay. So, minuend is the number from which you need to subtract, from which you need to take it away. And subtrahend is the number that you are supposed to subtract. Okay. And the answer of subtraction, is called what? Difference. The answer of subtraction is called what? Difference. Okay, see, it's a problem, right? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all these are what? Problems. When you solve it, you will get the answer. Jitender, when you solve it, you will get the answer. And the answer is having a name. So, the answer of subtraction is called what? Difference. Okay, fine. So, now, how will you define? Now, see, I'll give you an equation. Say, for example, 8 minus 3 is equal to how much? 8 minus 3 is how much? 5, right? Yes. So, now which is minuend, which is subtrahend, which is difference? This is called minuend. This is called what? Minuend. This is called what? Subtrahend. And this is called what? Difference. Okay, always remember the first number is minuend. Okay, the number at the top will be minuend. And the number below that comes that need to be subtracted is subtrahend. And the answer of subtraction is called what? Difference. Did you understand? Okay, wait, I'll explain you once again. Okay, kids, now look at this problem. Okay, see there are two numbers. Okay, there are two numbers. So now to understand, now if you subtract 5 minus 3 is how much? 2. Yes, 1 minus 1 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. What happened? 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so now if you get confused which one is minuend, which one is subtrahend, which one is difference, see the number at the top is called what? Minuend. The number at the top is called what? Minuend, from which you need to subtract. Okay, the number which comes below this minuend, okay, is called what? Subtrahend. Is called what? Subtrahend. Subtrahend. Okay, and the answer of the subtraction is called what? Difference. Difference. What it is called? Difference. Did you understand, kid? Okay, so the number at the top is called minuend, the number from which you need to subtract, okay, from number, and the number below the minuend which need to be subtracted, okay, is called subtrahend, and the answer of subtraction is called what? Difference. Did you understand? Now sometimes, see, sometimes it's okay, you may get confused, right? Which one is minuend, which one is subtrahend? Okay, sometimes by mistake you may write this as subtrahend, this as minuend. Okay, but that is wrong. Yes or no? To remember it in an easy way, you know what you can do? What you can do is you can remember this. MSD. MSD. What is that? My super dad. My super dad. My super dad. See. My super dad. Okay. So M. Yes, this M stands for minuend. Okay. Then S stands for subtrahend. Okay. And this D stands for difference. Did you understand? So it's like an acronym. MSD. It's an acronym that you can remember. Okay. For so that you will not forget which one is minuend, which one is subtrahend. Did you understand, Jitender? Yes? Fine. You are understanding what I said? Okay. So my super dad. You remember that. Minuend, subtrahend, difference. Okay, so what is the formula you can write for subtraction? Minuend minus subtrahend is equal to difference. Minuend minus subtrahend is equal to difference. Okay, so now in subtraction you have something like, you know, subtraction with borrowing and subtraction without borrowing. Fine, subtraction with borrowing and subtraction without borrowing. Okay, now I'll write some problems on the board. I want each one of you to come and solve it. Fine? Okay. Okay, kids, see, I have written one problem on the board. It is subtraction without borrowing. Without borrowing. Very easy. So I want one of you to come and solve it. I want one second standard child. Who will do it? Rutvik will do? Okay, I'll give you a chance, Jitender. Okay, Rutvik, do it. Carefully. Fine, you want to climb on the chair? I think the board is... Wait, I'll give you a chair to climb. Okay, Rutvik, start. 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, don't help him. Let him do. 3 minus 0 is 3. Yes. If you subtract 0 from any number, you will get the same number as answer. Yeah, you subtract or you add. Yes, 4 minus 3, 1. Then 2 minus 2, 0. Yes. Then 6 minus 2, 4. Very good. Is the answer correct, kids? Yes. Is the answer correct? Very good, Rutvik. Very good. So I have written one more problem on the board. Now I want Jitender to come and solve it. Take Jitender. Yeah. Climb on the chair carefully. Is that height enough for you? You can climb if you want. Climb. Okay, do it. No, Jitender, climb better. Climb. Climb, no problem. Okay. 4 minus 1. No one will help. Do it. 3. Okay, then 3 minus 2. 1. Very good. 4 minus 3. 1. Next. Write properly. 6 minus 3. 3. Write. See, Jitender, this is the mistake. You should write the number exactly below this. Here. Not here. Okay? Rub this. Fine? Okay, fine, fine. I rubbed it. Right there. Right exactly below here. Here. Yes, here. Write it. 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, then next. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay? So is the answer correct, kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Okay, please clap for Jitendra. Very good, Jitendra. Clap. Okay, so there is one more problem on the board. Now Ambika will come and solve this. Okay. Yes, kids. Ambika, climb on the chair, please. The height is not sufficient. Please stand there. Fast, Ambika. Okay. Write neatly, Ambika. Fine. 3 minus 1 is 2. Write big and neat. Next. 5 minus 3. 2. Okay. Next. 1 minus 0. Kids, I want all of you to keep quiet. Yes. Where are you writing? See where it is. Where is 1 minus... Please wait. Please wait. Okay. 1 minus 0 is how much? You should write here, not here. Okay? Right here. 1 minus 0 is how much? When you subtract 0 from any number, what you will get? When you subtract 0 from any number, what you will get? 1. The same number. 1. Yes. Then 2 minus 0 is? 2 minus 0 is? Nothing you have to remove. 2, right? Write 2 there. Write big and neat. Next. 4 minus 1. 3. Yes, Ambika? Done? Always remember, Ambika, when you need to subtract 0 from any number, you will get the same number. You will not get 0. Okay? 1 minus 0 is 1. 2 minus 0 is 2. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 0 is 7. Okay? If you subtract 0 from any number, you will get the same number as answer. Fine? Did you understand? Okay, please clap for Ambika. Okay, kids, now there is a problem written. Okay, it is subtraction with borrowing. Till now, all the problems that were done was subtraction without borrowing. Now, this is subtraction with borrowing. See, always you can subtract a smaller number from a bigger number. You cannot subtract a bigger number from a smaller number. So, if the minuend is smaller than the subtrahend, then you need to borrow from the neighbor. Okay, and then you have to move ahead with the problem. Did you understand? Ravinder, come. I want you to do this. Climb there. Yes, Ravinder. 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0 is how much? What I said just now. That's the reason I always tell you to listen carefully. Please don't take the support of the wall. Move this side. Yes. 3 minus 0 is how much? 3. Yes, when you subtract 0 from any number, you will get the same number as the answer. Yes? Okay, then next 5 minus 7. Can you do that? Ravinder, can you do 5 minus 7? 5 is smaller than 7. You cannot subtract. Then what you will do? You will borrow. You will borrow from neighbor. Okay, what you will do? You need to borrow from here. Okay, borrow from here. So this 5 will become 15 and this will become 0. Now 15 minus 7 you do, how much it will be? 15 minus 7. Concentrate, kids. 15 minus 7. Fast. Ravinder. How much, kids? 15 minus 7?
8.
Write 8 there. Write big and neat. Okay. Then write exactly below it. Okay. Then next. 0 minus 4 can you do?
No, ma'am.
No, we cannot minus 4 from 0, right? Then what you will do? What you will do? You will borrow. This is subtraction with borrowing, Ravinder. So you will borrow. Okay? So this 0 will become 10 and this 2 will become 1. Now 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4. How much? 10 minus 4 is how much? 6. Yes? Then now this is 1. Minuend is 1, subtrahend is 6. Can you subtract 6 from 1? Can you subtract 6 from 1? No. Then what you will do? you need to borrow. Again, borrow from the neighbor. You need to borrow 1 from here. So this 1 will become 11. Okay? And this 4 will be 3. Okay? Now, 11 minus 6, how much? Did you write 6 here properly? Write there 6 properly. Write big and neat. 11 minus 6, how much, Ravinder? Solve this first, Ravinder. 11 minus 6. When I asked, you know subtraction? Yes, ma'am. We know, ma'am. Very easy, ma'am. Now do it then. 11 minus 6, how much?
5.
Write big and neat. Then next, what is the number? Why you are writing microscopic structures there? Write 5. Okay, then next, what is the number? 3 minus 1. So how you will do? 3 minus 1 is how much? Okay? What, Ravinder? What is happening? You need to concentrate and listen carefully. Okay? Not just nodding the head. Say yes, ma'am. Thank you. One more problem on the board. This is also subtraction with borrowing. Okay? Chalo, Girishwar, do it. Please climb. You can, your height is enough. No, Girishwar, better stand on the chair. Better. Because I am not able to cover you. Yeah, okay. Please leave that curtain. Yes. 6 minus 0 is 6. 5 minus 4, 1. 2 minus, excuse me, Girishwar. This is 2. This is 3. 2 is bigger or 3 is bigger? Can you subtract a bigger number from a smaller number? No. Then what you will do? How you will do? Borrow. Yes. So that 2 will become what? 12. And that 3 will be? 2. Okay. Then 12 minus 3 is how much? First, 12 minus 3 is how much? Like that you will do? Girishwar, like that you will do? Being in 3rd standard? 12 minus 3 is 9. Right there. You need to do it on fingers. Then 2 minus 8 you cannot do. So you will borrow once again. So 2 will become 12. 5 will become 4. Yes? Then 12 minus 8 how much? 12 minus 8. Come on, do it. Do it on fingers. 12 in the mind. 8 on the fingers. 8 after. 9, 10, 11, 12. 4. 4 is the answer. Like that you should do it. You should do it on fingers. Okay? Like this drawing lines and doing it. That is also correct. Not a problem. But that is okay for 1st standard UKG kids. Okay? You are in 3rd standard. 4 minus 1 is 3. Good. Is the answer correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Move this side. Okay, fine. So understood, kids, how to do subtraction? Understood? Yes, Rutvik? Okay. So all those who are watching, if you found this video helpful in understanding what is subtraction, what is minuend, subtrahend, difference, and the formula, yes, and what I told you, the acronym to remember, to remember the things in order, my super dad. M for minuend, S for subtrahend, D for difference. Okay? MSD, you can remember that. Okay? And how to do subtraction with borrowing and without borrowing. Yes, Ravinder, you need to practice a lot. Fine? Then only. Okay, so all those who are watching, if you like it, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, MTC Mustafa Tuition Center. Okay, so all the kids, I want you to practice, okay? The more you practice, the more perfect you will be. Fine? Once or twice you do, I got it. No, it's not done. You need to practice again and again. Then only you will become perfect and you will find it easy. Did you understand, kid? Okay. Thank you.